Oh. Bacon. This is huge. Uh-oh. Yep, I'm on. No way. He was under that overhanging grass. Right there. Got him. Yep. Big trout.
Really?
Yep. Monster. Alright. We're out here at the Yarra having a fish. Bacon's just going for a walk down there. I'm going to run over, try and get him on camera, yell out I'm on and see his reaction. Bacon, I'm on.
Really?
Nah. How is it over here?
I'm covered in like a million little tiny insects. You should see them all.
Is it deep enough for a big rod?
Nah, not really. It's pretty shallow. I feel like cooking the chicken. Oh shit. I was gonna say, yeah.
Can I get you though?
You want to mug us a net?
A mug of cement, not a spoonful, a fucking mug.
Exactly.
You could have a fucking...
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
Come on.
What?
On the worm.
Really? Macquarie?
Little macca.
You also caught his guts as well.
And this wasn't recording. I was just checking my bait. I didn't see a bite.
There you go. I told you it was biting before. And you're knocking it.
Yeah, probably been on there the whole time.
Mm.
There we go, a little macca. Unexpected. Not a cod, but we'll get him back and hopefully get a cod. So here we go. Me and Bacon have come down for a codfish, and so far we've just got a Macquarie perch. We've got a couple of rods out with chicken and one with some worms, and yeah, I just went to check the bait and he was sitting on it. Hopefully I got it with the other angle, but I'll get a releasal and hopefully dong a meter on the head with the next cast. So wish us luck and stay tuned, be ready for this big cod we're about to get and watch this fish swim off. Here he goes. Let's get another one. I think I'm on.
Oh! Whoa!
That's a big shrimp, bro.
Oh!
That's a massive shrimp. I'm scared to grab it, bro.
I'll grab it.
He's on my sinker.
I've never... Look at the red... It's got like red eyes, man. That's freaky.
You reckon that's what those little bites are we're missing?
Yeah, I reckon they are. Yeah, get nipped by one. I want to... Whoa! Hell no. Whoa, bro!
Can't believe I just caught a shrimp. That's a giant shrimp, man. Do we put him on the brag mat? Alright, let me put him on my finger. The biggest shrimp I've ever caught, I'm gonna let it bite me. No, he's not really pinching right now.
No, he's not interested.
He's not in, he doesn't want to hurt me.
Wants to hurt me instead.
Oh, he's got me there. Oh, that's got some force, man.
He's got one bigger than the other though.
Yeah, that's his small one. And he's got me good. Ah! It's actually hurting. It's actually hurting. We need to get it off. Can you try and pull? That actually hurt. It got me in like the nail bit.
Feels good, huh? Eel.
Nah, fish. Could be an eel. It's doing left and rights. Yeah, it is. Eel, shrimp, and a macca. Let's get him back, get a cod.
Got the sad.
He should live for 30 years out of the water. So that was an eel I probably dropped before too.
Toast as well, a pitchfork.
I've done that many times.
Smoked.
I do that out camping. Oh, there we go.
You're on. Eel.
Camping. Oh, there we go. Yep.
Eel.
Feels like it. Another one bites the dust. Get up here. Get in the boat. Second eel. Let's get it back and get the fuck out of here because it's dead. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to like the video, subscribe, comment below where you'd be fishing and what you'd be using for Murray cod, because I obviously don't know how to do it. And I'll see you next episode. Peace.